Welcome to our review of Google India's Digital Unlocked campaign, a transformative initiative launched in 2017 to empower small and medium-sized businesses (SMBs) across India. As the digital landscape rapidly evolved, many Indian SMBs struggled to establish an online presence and reach new customers. Google recognized this gap and stepped in with a comprehensive campaign offering free training and digital tools. In this video, we'll explore the campaign's background, strategies, outcomes, and key takeaways for businesses and marketers alike. Let's begin by understanding why this campaign was so crucial for India's business ecosystem. For 2017, only about 32% of Indian SMBs had an online presence, according to a Google and KPMG study. Despite their vital role in India's economic growth, these businesses face significant barriers: limited digital marketing knowledge, lack of resources, and difficulty reaching potential customers. The digital divide threatened to leave many behind as the economy modernized. Recognizing this, Google India saw an opportunity to bridge the gap and help SMBs thrive in the digital age. This set the stage for the launch of Digital Unlocked. Google India, a subsidiary of Google LLC, already had a strong foothold in the Indian market, especially in digital advertising. In 2017, Google held about 30% of the digital ad market share, but competition from Facebook and Amazon was intensifying. To maintain its leadership and expand its influence, Google needed to do more than just offer advertising. It had to empower businesses to succeed online, creating a win-win scenario for both Google and Indian SMBs. Core problem was clear. Indian SMBs lacked the digital marketing skills and awareness needed to build an online presence and attract customers. Many business owners were unfamiliar with tools like websites, SEO, and social media marketing. Without this knowledge, they risked falling behind in an increasingly digital marketplace. Google's research highlighted the urgent need for accessible, practical training tailored to the unique challenges faced by Indian SMB. Google's marketing team, along with Adobe India, recognized that providing free, high-quality training and tools could empower SMBs to overcome digital barriers. Their approach was rooted in value creation, helping businesses grow would in turn strengthen Google's ecosystem. By focusing on education and empowerment, Google aimed to build trust and long-term relationships with India's vast SMB sector. Digital Unlocked campaign was designed as a comprehensive solution. It offered free online courses covering website building, SEO, and social media marketing. The courses were self-paced, making them accessible to business owners with varying schedules. Additionally, Google provided a mobile app and a digital starter kit to guide businesses step by step in establishing their online presence. These resources were practical, actionable, and tailored to the Indian context. Beyond online courses, Digital Unlocked included in-person workshops in partnership with FICCI and ISB. These workshops were held in cities across India, allowing SMBs to learn directly from industry experts and network with peers. The hands-on approach helped demystify digital marketing and provided practical experience, making the learning process more engaging and effective for participants. Google's marketing strategy focused on delivering value and building trust. The campaign was promoted through social media, email marketing, and influencer partnerships. Industry experts were invited to speak at workshops, boosting credibility. The use of multiple channels ensured wide reach, while the emphasis on free, practical training positioned Google as a thought leader and reliable partner for SMBs. The campaign aimed to empower SMBs to build an online presence, increase awareness of digital marketing, and provide the tools needed for sustainable growth. Google expected that by equipping businesses with these skills, more SMBs would join the digital economy, ultimately benefiting both the businesses and Google's own platforms. Results were impressive. Over 1 million businesses participated in the Digital Unlocked campaign, with 70% reporting an increase in their digital presence. The campaign not only improved digital literacy but also led to tangible business growth for many participants. Google's initiative set a benchmark for similar programs by other tech giants, further accelerating India's digital transformation. This case study is now widely used in marketing and business courses to illustrate the power of digital marketing and the importance of understanding customer needs. It also highlights the SERVQAL gap analysis model, which helps identify service gaps and improve marketing strategies. Students and professionals alike can learn valuable lessons from Google's approach to empowering SMBs. Digital Unlocked campaign demonstrates that digital marketing is essential for business growth in today's world. Understanding customer needs, providing practical support, and leveraging trusted brands are all critical for success. The campaign also shows the value of personalized support and tangible resources in helping businesses thrive online. Strengths of the campaign included Google's brand reputation and the practical value offered to businesses. However, a potential weakness was the campaign's focus on Google's own services, possibly limiting appeal for those using other platforms. Opportunities included expanding to specific industries, while threats came from competitors launching similar campaigns. This SWOT analysis helps us understand the strategic landscape Google navigated. Success of Digital Unlocked inspired other companies like Facebook, Microsoft, and Amazon to launch similar initiatives targeting Indian SMBs. This competitive environment pushed all players to innovate and offer more value, ultimately benefiting the SMB sector and accelerating digital adoption across India. The campaign's ripple effect continues to shape the digital marketing landscape. In conclusion, Google India's Digital Unlocked campaign stands as a model for how technology companies can drive economic growth by empowering small businesses. The campaign's accessible training, practical tools, and strategic partnerships help thousands of SMBs succeed online. As digital transformation continues, such initiatives will remain vital for inclusive growth and innovation in emerging markets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on digital marketing and business strategy.